first step to your success in 2021. The biggest challenge I see with many people is always the mix up between life and success, which means somebody who says, hey, you're not successful, which means they think their life is really not worth. You see, life is a plain vanilla stuff. What I mean to say is, you, me, and everybody else who is able to breathe have life. That's it. No complications. But what happens with the success is, what you're going to do during the time you have life is what defines your success. Both are totally different. But in this video, I'm going to share it with you how you can actually achieve tremendous success while not mixing up with the life. But before we go deep into it, show reel, hit it.
I really want to ask one question to you guys. We'll break down a step-by-step process.
Welcome back. Today, I'm inviting you to one of my favorite studio, that's this beautiful nature, where I actually come when I really feel like, kind of missing out on something, and I get immersed into the nature. Tell me, how did you like this nature? Tell me. Isn't it really beautiful? So I'm totally in a countryside where probably you might hear some noises here and there because of the surroundings. Don't bother. Probably that is something which you should listen so that you can also experience the nature along with me. So let me ask you this question, right? What is the definition of success for you? You already know I like to keep things very simple. For me, success means you wanted to achieve something, you achieved, that's it. That is a success. Now let us see if this success is a fixed thing or a continuously moving thing. For you at this moment, success means say like $1,000 in your account every month probably could be a success for you, right? Let's take it as an example. Now, are you continuously working towards $2,000, $5,000 and $10,000? Now my question to you is, now say like you continuously worked hard and you worked towards say like $10,000. You started earning $10,000. Now, do you consider yourself to be successful? And will you stop there? And why am I asking this question? You will definitely aim for $100,000, isn't it? Can you see a pattern here? This is simply called growth. Growth is one of the basic need for every human being, which means, like I told you, life is life. For everybody, it is exactly the same. It is only about the growth, what you do during the time that you have life, what it matters, and what defines success. And if you understood about the difference between life and growth, you already half succeeded. Now the challenge is, the biggest problem I see with many people is, everybody makes growth as a miserable process. And you can make the entire growth process effortless if you can follow the technique that I'm going to share with you, that growth infinite triangle technique. And it is very simple, 3 steps. Like the triangle has 3 steps. This has only 3 simple steps which you must follow. And the growth, 1, it will become infinite. 2, it will become effortless. Are you ready to learn? Step 1. Respect every single situation in your life, what is going off and what is coming in. I'm talking about every single moment you are actually passing by. Right now, while you're watching this, you've already passed one moment. And then you're receiving the next moment. So you're always in the process of receiving a new moment and sending off the past moment. You may be thinking why I should respect. What I'm saying is, based on the kind of send off you're giving into the previous moment defines the kind of situation that you're going to receive. That naturally brings me to the second step, and one of the most important steps is not to blame anyone. Whatever you're doing in that moment, it's you who is responsible. Like I said, the next moment is defined by what you do in this moment. And the moment you stop blaming, the life really becomes a lot more responsible and also predictable. That's the magic of it, right? The moment you start doing it, you will also start seeing the predictability of life is a lot better. The biggest challenge with blaming somebody, you will not see the real lesson that situation is teaching you. And you're always on the watch by the universe or by the God, whatever you believe in. And you may ask, right? See, look at one thing, you're always in testing process. Unless, let me give you this example. There was a small kid who kind of runs to the father and says, Dad, I like to have the ice cream. And then, father, as usual, he kind of goes and, gives him one nice big scoop of ice cream. And what happens is, in that excitement, the kid runs and, it spills. Immediately, he keeps coming and crying, Dad, 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 I want ice cream. And then suddenly he sees on the menu a triple scoop, like 1, 2, 3, 3 scoop. Then he starts crying, saying that, Dad, I want this, I want this, I want this, that I want triple scoop. What would you tell to the kid? Be honest here, right? Be honest. What would you tell to the kid? You'll naturally say, you could not even handle 1 scoop and you let go of and you're asking for 3 scoops? Isn't that your natural answer to response to that? This is exactly what happens. Unless you actually handle the current situation, like I told you in the first step, in the best of your capacity, the next thing that is going to come is at the same level, which means you're continuously playing the same level video game forever. So it's important for you to really stop blaming so that you see actual lesson being given to you in that moment. Like the beautiful quote given by Arianna Huffington, failure is not an opposite to success. Failure is literally an integral part of the success. Means unless you have a feedback on what you did in the previous situation, you will continue to do the same thing. So failure is a way of giving you, feedback so that you change your method of doing it or maybe direction of doing it, and so that you achieve the success. I cannot insist on the importance of the step 3 in this whole triangle. That's never attach emotions to anything that happens in your life. The moment as the situations are going, every single challenge is moving in front of you, do not attach your emotion. Many of the times people get stuck in really, emotions are connected. Person who left, you go along with them. Or the kind of your car you had, it is moved, so you move along with that. Attaching emotion is a conditioning thing. You don't need to attach your emotion to everything and every person that comes into your life. They're all coming to teach you a certain lesson so that you understand the lesson, you take the lesson and implement it. There's a new person coming in. The moment you do not attach your emotion to any situation, you are in flow. And the flow will bring you a lot more success. If you notice one thing with these 3 steps, it is creating a wonderful platform where growth can flow and accelerate. Do you see that? How simple it is? First thing is to respect every situation. It is coming to you for your growth. Again, as I said, life is a plain vanilla. You don't need to touch up on it. You are only working on the growth, and the growth comes only based on every situation you face. Respect it. Number 2, make sure you're never blaming anyone and you're taking the complete responsibility of your action in that particular moment. And 3, do not attach your emotions to any of the things which are coming in and going out. You see how simple it is? The moment you start following these 3 steps, your focus is actually on growth. And I want you to actually follow this JIT technique, right? Growth Infinite Triangular technique in your life. And then do let me know what kind of results you have received. And I wish every one of you a tremendous growth in your life without mixing both of them. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like or maybe leave a comment of what are your thoughts, views, or maybe any questions you may have. But if you're tuning into the channel for the first time, remember to click that subscriber button and also ring the bell next to it, because we upload one video every single day for you in business, lifestyle, spirituality, and relations. And I'll see you in the next video.